Welcome back to my channel. Do you want faster hair growth, reduced hair fall, and shiny, soft hair, all with just one DIY? Today, we're making a powerful herbal hairspray using Moringa, Cloves, fresh Aloe Vera Gel, and Rosemary Oil, a formula that's trending globally for a reason. Stay with us. You're about to discover a secret blend that deeply nourishes your scalp, strengthens your roots, and revives even the driest hair, naturally. Why these ingredients? Moringa, the miracle leaf. Packed with over 90 nutrients and 30 antioxidants. Rich in zinc, iron, omega-3, and vitamin A, all essential for healthy hair follicles. Increases blood flow to the scalp and boosts keratin production. Cloves, tiny but mighty. Contain eugenol, which increases blood circulation and promotes faster hair growth. Fights scalp infections, dandruff, and reduces hair breakage. Fresh Aloe Vera Gel, deeply hydrates and conditions dry, frizzy, or damaged hair. Soothes the scalp and reduces itchiness or inflammation. Rich in proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp. Rosemary or peppermint essential oil. Stimulates hair regrowth by increasing scalp circulation. Rosemary is proven to be as effective as minoxidil. Clinical studies show peppermint oil gives a refreshing, tingly feeling and helps unclog hair follicles. How to make it? Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dried moringa leaves, or 1 teaspoon powder, 1 teaspoon cloves. 1.5 cups filtered water. 1 tablespoon fresh aloe vera gel, from the leaf, 3 to 4 drops rosemary or peppermint essential oil. Instructions: boil 1.5 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon cloves and 1 tablespoon moringa leaves. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Turn off the heat, cover, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Strain the water and let it cool completely. Add 1 tablespoon fresh aloe vera gel and blend for even mixing. Add 3 to 4 drops of rosemary or peppermint oil, shake well. Pour into a spray bottle and store in the refrigerator. How to use? Spray directly on your scalp and hair roots daily. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Use it on clean hair, preferably at night or after showering. No rinse needed, let it absorb fully. Use this daily for best results. Shelf life and storage. Because this DIY includes fresh aloe vera, shelf life is 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. Always store in the fridge to prevent spoilage. If you notice any odor or color change, discard and make a fresh batch. Pro tip: make small batches every 3 days for maximum freshness and effectiveness. Real benefits over time. After 7 days, notice softer, shinier, and less frizzy hair. After 2 weeks, hair fall reduces, baby hairs begin to grow. After 30 days, stronger roots, visible hair density, and healthier scalp. This DIY combines the healing powers of herbs, deep hydration of aloe vera, and scientific strength of rosemary oil. If you're tired of using chemical products with no results, it's time to go natural. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful home remedies. Try this for just 1 week, and your hair will thank you forever. Thank you for watching.